Understanding Glimmer of Hope, a dive into expressive English. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore an interesting English phrase, Glimmer of Hope. This phrase is not just about words, but about the feelings and situations they represent. So, if you're ready to add another expression to your English vocabulary, let's get started. Glimmer of hope is a metaphorical expression. A glimmer is a faint, unsteady light or a small sign of something. When we say, glimmer of hope, we're talking about a very small, but significant sign of hope in a situation that might otherwise seem hopeless. It's like seeing a tiny light in a dark room. The term, glimmer, dates back to the Middle Ages, derived from a word meaning a faint or flickering light. Over time, it started being used metaphorically to describe a small indication of a positive quality or feeling, like hope. Let's see how to use this phrase in everyday conversation or writing. For example, despite the difficulties, the recent developments have given us a glimmer of hope. She saw a glimmer of hope for reconciliation in his smile. There are other phrases with similar meanings, like ray of hope or light at the end of the tunnel. These expressions also signify hope in difficult situations. Glimmer of hope often appears in literature, speeches, and everyday language, especially in times of difficulty. It reflects the human tendency to look for positivity and hope, even in small amounts. Thank you for joining me in exploring the phrase, glimmer of hope. Remember, language is not just about words, but the stories and emotions they convey. I hope this video has been informative and inspiring. Keep learning and looking for that glimmer of hope in your language journey.